It was about in 1984 that I read a book called Future Shock by Alvin Toffler, where he talked about electronic cartridges, distant learning, video conferencing. And you know, at that time when I was reading this book in the 80s, I was like, when are we ever going to get to that? But we are there now. We are slowly getting there, and we are even there in most cases. For example, if you notice, most college courses now are online. That's distant learning. If you notice, some of the job places, they are working out of home. That's electronic cartridges. And then they talk about interactive learning, which is really what our focus is in SGS here. So, and you can tell that the kids that we have today, the challenge that we have mostly is how do we get their attention in the classroom? That is really our big challenge. So that is where we are coming in here with these interactive whiteboards, video conferencing, and I'm so happy that Sam and Danny and the technology team is leading us in that direction. And on behalf of Ms. Brett, the principal of the school, who has made this possible to be able to get us this equipment, I would like to introduce to you Sam Shipman. Thank you.
Richard Kurtzer from Buhl, and they make our smart boards and a lot of other stuff. And Jeff Golden from Interactive Technologies has been instrumental. So we have vendors here as well as the teachers, so in case anybody wants to talk to any of these guys, and they'll all be presenting as well. So anyway, what I wanted to show off, particularly to you know, everybody in the room, is kind of a case study of how we got here, and it's been really an incredible fun time. So as Lighty said, initially over the summer, 9 boards were purchased with the help of Jeff Golden, and because our current school here is under review last year, one of the suggestions from a team from the state was integrating more technology. So it wasn't just we want to do this; it's a mandate. And Lighty had ordered the equipment, and it came in, but then the real test is, how are we going to roll this out for everybody, you know? And as we all know, technology is really no good if you don't know how to use it. You know, people would embrace technology. Even technophobes would come in and see Bob Burt using it, or Jeff Shiner, or whomever, and that has a bigger effect than your quote-unquote expert in front, you know, the sage on stage. Other things as well, you know, which guaranteed the success. We made easy-to-use tutorials, you know, and put them online. And I think Buhl may even be using some of them, you know, distributed them as part of, you know, their package. You know, 5 steps to get onto the smartboard in case you forgot what to do, and big pictures and stuff.
Got an LCD display, the sensor, and everything. But you can go up to any object, and I'm going to plug this into the computer here and show you. But you could just literally point and click like any digital camera and take microscope level, either 10 times or 40 times magnification photos right into the computer. So in the science lab, you can take your slides and go right on them. It comes with a set of adapters. You can put, you know, water droplet samples, all sorts of stuff in there. It's really cool. And on the PC side, it actually comes with software that allows you to do a little bit more. All right, so over here we have the lens and then the little adapter plate. There's different ones that click on for different subjects. Then you have an adjustable lighting source, so you can light what you're looking at, and you just get right in there, whatever you want to focus in on. Good. And then you focus in, and you can take a picture. Let's show you a little bit of the cool stuff that this will do.
Is it passé to talk money?
Oh yeah, list price on this is $309.
Okay.
It's got 2 gigabytes of memory built into it, and you can take all sorts of microscope snapshots and videos. It works just like any other digital